Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. You see Simon very happy. Anyway, about the Honda Accord Zero to replace the light. This version is the Accord Zero 2009, 8 same shit to 2010. But this version is the HD Xenon, okay? And introduce for you is what I'm gonna do is first I'm going to use the high beam. I order the light. Is the one that fit into the high beam and low drive, and this is the HD Xenon H7. It's the H7. It's the not supposed to be going there, but we know what we're going to do, and we're going to modify the HD version kit aftermarket. Okay, aftermarket, smaller, but it's more shit anyway. But we will make it work like brand spanking new. So I pull out my bumper for the Honda Accord Zero. It's ridiculous, you know. It broke my bloody here again, and it broke my wire for the connection for the bastard thing here. Oh, no. Anyway, I have no chance to have to join them back together. Anyway, break my LED lights out, and this is the way. Okay, I tell you what about the Honda. This car, the normal light you can hook on and turn on the back, but ridiculous, it's way too small here, and then you can't enter your hand in. So what I do is I just cut the bastard here, so next time it's easy for me to just replace and put my hand in, and I can turn my hand. The problem is sometimes you turn your hand in and you can't see this bastard here. You can't undo this one here. See the clip? It's very hard, so you have to push it down and pull on this side. See, it's very strong. It's very strong holding the grip here. The spring, you have to be pushed down. If you can see, it's better. But in here, how can you see if you sneak your hand in here? I get a far and farther up later. It's good for me later when I put my bloody damn hand in here, and it never cut myself. So this will be hopefully plenty of hand when I undo this one, and I can move my hand in here, my beautiful hand in next time. Okay, not today, next time. It's okay. And I'm gonna put the HID. The HID I'm gonna put on the top there somewhere instead of that box here. I disconnect from the main one. Anyway, I was forget about that one. I will went and buy another HID box, the transformer, and it's not working. So this is my before. I thought this one, and I stressed out because the water got in, and I was telling DC it cost me $100 for nothing, and I replaced them on, and I don't want to bring it back because people will say blah 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 blah, you know what I mean. Terrible. Okay, what we do is we buy aftermarket, and you know why I go H7? The H7 fitting is completely different with the original one on this one. See, original one on this one I will show you later, and it was different. The fitting was different, but I will order H7 because I will take this one off, and I will try the normal light on. See, it's very difficult to press it. Even inside here, you got the light out, and it's still very strong. You see, it's super strong. You see, it's super strong as. Okay, we bend this one up a little bit. Okay, now this is how it go up, and I go with modify this one, modify. See, this is how it go in. So the H7, I have to cut a leg here that I can go in here perfectly. See, it go in here perfectly. That's why I order 7. But that's what I do, and I do this. Maybe you guys can follow. The other one with the fitting, the H7 on here, I just take it off just in case the light inside control they may touching. So the wire crook in here and some here, and they will cook. But for me, no point I go back. No point for me to go back. What I do is try to take it off, and see, I left the car here and it fall off because the wind and rain. My beautiful lights are damaged, but that doesn't matter. I can do anything. Anyway, who cares? Who cares about that? Okay, we leave it here, and we don't want to scratch it and paint all that shit out. We leave it here, and we will see the main wire into the plasma control. Take this one up. I take this one up just in case more lighter, and this is the normal one. It's 55 watts and bright one, but it's still not bright enough to go through the projector. That's why I need the 8,000, 5,000, 6,000 K high reticle xenon to go there, and it should be break through the light there. So it needs the super bright to go through the projector, and I will leave everything on the top here. So next time all we do is just replace the bulb on the high behind, and then on the top here you can see anything. But yeah, to avoid to have to undo the bumper again, and of course I do this is the last time before I undo the bumper again. I never ever go to touch it again because it's annoying. For everyone, if you got a Xenon, maybe you have the same situation because your hand too small to slide in this bastard here. I don't know why they design this way. They punch on the jaw. It's bullshit and stupid. Okay, stupid. Anyway, we have to try to. This is the sensor for the bastard. Oh shit! Oh no! My sensors. Forget it. Who cares, man? Oh fuck! No, my sensor broke out yesterday. He's falling down. Gosh, terrible, terrible, Simon. You a bitch. Anyway, we try to convert them in. Stop talking. See, this is the new one. Okay, we start doing something. Get the screwdrivers. And this is a 2012 from the records. But if I bring her over there and try to get another one, they will give me another one. They don't give me the money back. So you lost your money, man, for sure. Okay, lost your money for sure. And by the time I don't want to waste my time to go there, and all I do is just connect this see the main one, go in and go through the box and leave it here, make it look sexy. And we disconnect this shit out, and we just put away. Just someone who want it, I can give it to them or put on eBay and sell it again if you wish. But for me, I'm not going to using this shit no more. Waste too much time. 3 of them. Even I did bought the new Xenon light and still not work. So we do it, just suck it out and pull out this way, and we can leave the hole here free just in case the water go in and it drain itself down here. It doesn't worry because the light it go down that way, this one go down that way, and it should be all right. You know, you don't have to cover it up. Get rid of this one. Don't worry about that cover there. And yeah, man, I don't want. Oh man, it's gonna touching the lights. I just cut the bastard. Get rid of this one. If you have a car, just playing around with it. Okay. Playing around with it wouldn't hurt, and it's teach you more, and you can learn more. So this is the basics of the bloody wire go through the Xenon. It's bullshit, you know. It's really bullshit. And if you go to records, you buy, you can ask for this whole kit. I don't know. They're all corrosion out and bullshit. Okay, this is the main one you need. Just the main one here, and then we get the new one. This will be brightened up. Okay, we be right enough. Very right enough. Okay, we got the height 7. Remember this one have to be cut this leg. So cut this one, height 7. Cut this one. Okay, and it will go in perfectly. Very little tiny. So we lift that one up, and we just turn this one down this way. See, they go down. See, they're on position. I want this one go down a little bit better. So a bit cutting on the edge here. So I want to go down lighter, so which on this edge I got touching. I got this edge touching, this edge out, and this edge out. Okay, now I got this one in. Easy and lighter for me next time. That's all. Okay, that's how it go in, and we don't really care about this damn thing. Just leave it outside, or you can bring it inside. Up to you. But for me, I will bring it inside. Okay, this is the plasma. And the plasma is where this one go, I don't know. So this one just following the flux. Okay, the flux, see where it go. The plasma see the following the flux, and you can get it in. And this one will be this one here. You see, maybe this one here. See, you never miss out. Okay, don't mix up, and you get yourself in very big trouble and so scary. And you know what, this one, all we do is you can go in straight away here, see, without any damage. Just on like that. Yeah, do that to both the same. And yeah, and I tell you what, it's perfect. Just leave it in there. Actually it wouldn't hurt. Okay, and that's it. This is the two end. That's for negative and positive. You have to replace here. So we have to where the caps, the cap here, the caps. See, we can just pop the hole, drill the hole here, and you put this one in. Look cool, man. In and on the top here, you want to go for silicone, you go for silicone. Please don't ask me, okay? Whatever you want to do. Don't care about what they thinking or what people say, or water resistant or whatever. I don't give a crap what you're thinking, but I try to make it work and easy for me. If you guys out there and think I do this good job, please thumb up, and if I do a shit job, please thumb down. And here, see, the cover is very tight. You see, very tight. Look, you have to push it, but I tell you what, I'm not stupid enough. I just like that. I don't want too tight. I just go like that. Okay, I'm not stupid enough. Like next time for me to push it real hard and bullshit, you know, bullshit. And this one just go in here. What I do is, if you want to cut and joint, up to you. I get this way. I will show you. I could use something like this. Look very fancy, just in case the wire go in here. And if sometimes this one falling out from the flux, and this one never touch, never short out the body. It got the plastic, so it look very fancy. So what I do is I cut this bastard out. This original one from the wire, and then we test it up. And if it's working good, we do the other side. It's no sweat at all. And I tell you what, this is one shot, and for me, the rest of my life, I never ever have to undo the front bumper again, because it's so sneaky and so small, you can't put your hand in. Okay, so I'm happy to make the easy way for me, just in case in future I'm getting old and I cannot work on this no more, and no one will do it for me. But if I do it, they do it for me. They will cost my arm and leg for doing this one. So I have to prepare for myself when I get old, and just in case I cannot do anything like this no more, at least I got the car and easy for it. So like this, and just cream them on. Okay, cream them on, so they will stay there for a very long time. I get a little bit long this edge. I go fold them on double. Okay, double it, and I go here. I got more circle on here, suck them in, and just stay there perfectly. What we do is crimp them on, baby, crimp them on. Cream it on, baby. Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. Normally the the car with black and white and red is much easy. I would say the positive is the brown and the black one is the negative. Okay, we put this one up like this, and this is one down. Okay, and we will show you how to work for light. And here we go. We don't have the light yet because no key. One more, buddy. Sorry man. Okay, now we go. You see the Xenon light should work. See that, the new one, that the old one. You see, slowly this one will be super clear and white. You will see how white it is, and that's what you need. You don't want red and all that crap, you know. So we put it down like this. You will see this one a little bit darker, and this one super white. So I believe this new model should work better. You see, it works. So I have to do the other side the same. See, this one a little bit red, and this one super white. I love it, man. Anyway, that's how it should work. Okay, turn off the lights. This is the new one, and this is the old one. You see a little bit red here, and this one's super clear. So I would go for this one for myself. See the clear on my hand. See the white. See the white, and this one. See. So I put I'm gonna take that one up and put the aftermarket one on exactly like that side. But now I'm gonna install the LED. On the driving light. Don't ever put LED on driving. because the LED not strong enough, trust me. Just high ID here. On the high beam, I just put this one out and I throw this one out. So this one, the different models, see, they are on the high beam, and this is the original one, and I have to order this one for original one, 2 of this one from the LED. Yes, this one you can put for LED, okay, LED one, and what we do is they should be go in straight away. See, they should be go on straight away. See the high beam, you can still see the high beam. It's a LED high beam and driving, and normal one is dead. It just been dropped and dead shit. Anyway, we put them on. We got the 2 LED high beam with a really good bright, this good. So we put a box away. We may order some for spare, but this is $70 this pair, okay, $70. But this one is cheaper, $55. But anyway, we take our original one out. We put this one on today. All done. Now I gotta put the light in and then test. See, this is what you need to do. Just buy a high-ID kit, and will be all the flux and come out. If you know the basic, just negative and positive. Turn on where the lights here. It should work. LED headlights for high beam is good. So we put them on and test again before we close it. And this is for someone who have no hand to enter in here. Trust me, for the car they designed for Asian people or someone, I don't know, the hand very tiny. How you expect a little kid can undo this one and replace it? It's so ridiculous. But try to make something easy, so next time we don't have to take up the whole ferry again, especially with my car with full body kit and making custom build flare and all that crap, you know. It's take too much time, and we have to take it up and do it from beginning, and sometimes we have to do painting again. They may damage your front bar. See that one, it's been damaged, it's been falling down by the wind, the rain yesterday, and damaged my bloody, see this one, the sensors. So that's kind of no good, okay. So that's what it is. So I expect the company car next time making the car or the light or anything, please make the car easy and easy for our kids' future, because they might don't know what to do and might cost them money. So we turn them on and see how it lights. Now it's super white, you see. Now I got my confidence for driving at night, and don't worry about the cop pull me over. All I do is just put them up and fix some paint crust and stick again. It's a big job, but when I do this one once, and now I can enter my hand in here, okay, exactly the same, 2 of them. So each time you got a problem with the HID, you can go on eBay and order the HID both itself. It's called the H7, or yeah, you can buy the H7 itself, or you can just have to yeah, just replace them or replace the whole kit for only $50 instead of you buying the original one like this one and it play up and it lost your money. It cost me $100 and it's not working. So what the wasted, you think? Now what do you think about bring back to the records and say I want a refund? Would they refund for you? I don't think so. You lose your money. So this is less headache. Just get up the market on eBay. My brother Gina will help you out, and you have some lights and cheap version, cheap money for you, and it worked the same. Okay, thanks for watching Simon Tools. Okay, this will be about the HID replace for aftermarket and should work for a very long time. High speed LED, high speed, beautiful. Now we're about to put everything back together.